Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will know that how to share printer from one system to another system. So how to fix it in this video, we will know that step by step. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 11 and Windows 7. So let's start the video. So guys, click here taskbar and click here task manager option, and after that guys click here file and click here run new task, and type here control and check this checkbox and click here OK button. After that guys click here, if you find this like this option, click here this view by and select here large icon, and after that guys click here device and printer option and find your printer, and this is our printer. Now right click on it, this printer, and click here properties option. Okay, and after that guys copy this name, remember this name. Okay, HP LaserJet 1020. Click here, right click on it and click here see what this option, click here printer, and after that guys click here sharing option, and after that guys check this checkbox, and this is our printer name, you can change it, so we default it, and click here apply, and after that guys click here OK button. Now right click on it and click here sharing, this checkbox should be checked here. Okay, now OK, close this window. You can see here there are icon displayed. Okay, minimize it and close this window. After that guys click here start button and click here setting and click here network and internet option, Ethernet, click here Ethernet option. After that guys click here network and sharing center option. Okay, click here change advanced sharing setting option, and guys if this checkbox so guys expand it, and if this checkbox is off, enable all these like that. Checkbox should be checked like that. If this off, turn on it. Okay, and all networks should be enabled here. Okay, after that click here save changes. Now close this window, close this window. Now guys click here Windows Explorer, right click on this PC and click here properties, and after that guys you can see here your device name is like that, not your device name here. My device name is RAM W10. Okay, remember your device name. Now open another window. Now go to another PC. So guys make sure your printer operating system and your other operating system should be same network. Okay, same network. Now guys click here taskbar and click here task manager option. After that guys click here run new task option, and type here this is our Windows / RAM -W10, our device name, last computer device name. Type here, check this checkbox and click here OK button, and enter the username and password where you installed your printer. This is our printer installed machine, Windows 10. Okay, so we have administrator user. Now enter password and click here OK button. Remember this and click here OK. So guys, you can see here your printer is displayed here on Windows 11. Right click on it and click here connect option and click here install driver. So guys, your printer get connected to another system. Okay, close this window and open any notepad file, test. Okay, type anything else and click here file and click here print. So guys, you can see here your printer name is displayed here under this list. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here and your printer should get properly. So if you like this video, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.